Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. And if you have already subscribed, well, I'm so happy to see you again. Today I'm reviewing the KKW Beauty products. So Kim just launched a concealer kit and a collaboration with Mario, her makeup artist. And all of us know he is famous, and both of them together have created some amazing makeup looks and they have set trends in the industry. So I was really curious to see what this was going to look like. And this is the final look that I came up with. If you want to know how I did this and if you like what you're seeing, then please continue to watch. I'm going to prime my face with the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. I did my foundation off camera. I'm using the Lancome 24-hour long wearing foundation in the color 380 Bisque W. And I just went all over my face and my neck with a beauty sponge. And now I'm ready to start using some KKW products. And I want to start off with the palette. Of course, this is the KKW Mario palette. I am excited about just coming up with an eye look. Haven't really thought about what I'm going to do, but these are the colors, and I like the colors because I feel I can work with all of them. I can wear all of them. I'm going to start off with first covering the base of my eye. So I'm going to use one of the colors on my eyelid. I'm going to go with this color right here. I don't know what it's called. Miami. I'm going to take Miami and use it on my crease. I'm going to go with, I believe this is Libra. So I'm going to dip in. I also would like to add a little more dimension towards the corner, and I'm going to pick up this color. It's 2008. I'm going to go in with this shade and just blend everything in. I'm going to go in with trying to pick up a flat brush. I may put some Fix Plus on it. I'm going to dip in to, I believe the color is Albanian. It's a gorgeous blue, guys, and I'm going to put this all over my eyelid. I have never used a blue like this, so this is actually pretty phenomenal that this shows up so well on my eyelids. I'm going to go and take this color right here. Again, it's Libra, and just go over . I'm just going to dip in. This is the Becca Color Corrector in Peach, and just going to take that and apply it under my eyes. I am going in with the concealer 6. This is in the shade 6, and I believe this is really light for me. I actually did, if you see the container, this is a warm colored concealer, but it may be just a couple of shades lighter than what I really need. So I may mix it up a little bit, but I am going to go ahead and apply this on both sides. I'm going to go and just use the brush to just blend it out a little bit initially, and then I'll go over with a beauty sponge. I'll definitely rate this next to NARS. For me, NARS, there's nothing can go wrong with using NARS. I have an issue with Shape Tape, and it has nothing to do with the brand. It's just sometimes, most times, I experience creasing, and I want to quickly set my under eye now. I do have their baking powder. I'm going to take whatever is already in there and set my under eye. I will go ahead and take the lightest shade, the transition shade, and smoke out the lower portion of my eye. Then I'm going to go ahead with this shade right here. And I'm going to also take the blue shade and now I'm going to take a Lakme Absolute Kajal pencil, and I'm going to use that on my lower waterline. Highlight the high point of my eyebrows. So I'm going to take this color Loyalty and apply it just right over there. And I'm also going to take the same color and use it on the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to finish up the whole look with the KKW lipstick. I think it's a little too light for me, so I'm going to have to warm it up a little bit. I'm just going to take one of my Pat McGrath lipsticks. So my final thoughts on all the products that I used today. I think the palette is a winner, without a doubt. The blend, they blend like a dream. The payoff is so good, and I have never worn blue eyeshadow on my eyelids before. And this one was by far the easiest blue shade that I ever used. It was easy to work with. I was going for a smoky eye, and it just came all together. The concealers that I got were lighter for my skin tone. Now, I wasn't really sure, there wasn't really a way to swatch, so I took a chance and I didn't think it was terrible, but I do need to go up a shade higher, but a shade darker. Now, there was no creasing with this concealer, and I'm really happy about that. I do have some fine lines. A lot of concealers tend to crease. I do take the necessary steps to make sure that doesn't happen, but with some concealers it just simply does. So I thought this was a dream to work with. So for me, it's overall a winner. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.